quick, boy! Red! Red! Quick, quick! Red, quick, boy! Red man, come, boy! Red man, come, boy! When he come? Red man, come, boy! Red man, come! Hey, this is blowing when it... Dan! Red man, come, boy, come!
Why he not coming on there?
Drive.
Why he not coming?
I don't know why he coming.
Oh, this will be fun. Why he not coming?
I'm serious, man.
I can't go back on that side where the tornado going now.
What the ass is this, boy?
Dan, I tell you, I stand up and look outside and see the clouds spinning. I said, but you ain't hearing that?
Some boy?
I said, are you hearing that?
Watch your feet.
That's nice picture about this.
Go so, yeah.
I saw you hearing that?
If we could have got the gate open, we could have go in the house.
Wait, watch how that breeze blowing there. Watch that. Cool.
It passed. So go back so Kevin and go back around and the side.
Yeah, come back so.
Red man, hey, no my room, Red man, we had to go back for Red man.
Go back. Go back. Turn the roof on that building, we go back. We have to go back first. Hey, turn the roof on that building, we go back.
Red man, red stupid boy.
Go back. Go back.
Watch you go, watch.
Hey, turn the roof on that building, we go back. Turn the roof on that building, we go back. She go make back the wrongs.
Watch how that governor is watch every time.
We go back.
Hey, watch it. Watch it. Hey,
Tony, nobody go. Look, watch out, come in, watch. Hey, come in,
come in, boy.
Yeah, come in here. Kevin, Olivia, come out.
Get come out to the car, boy.
Wait, go. Wait, watch the road.
Let go. Go down so.
You kidding?
Tony, look, film it.
Stand up outside there.
I do the one place, man. Film it. Don't go back in this one, don't go back in that hole. Let's flip, we don't flip going on the road. Well, first time I see one other. But you
First time in my life, I didn't even know these things. I tell you, I didn't even know these things could happen down here.
Wait, now we
had to go back. We had to go back for Red man.
You had to go back.
We had to go back for Red man.
They couldn't steady.
Come on, shall I call Red man? Say Red man, come Red man. We ain't here not listening, Dan.
Yeah, you go back so.
I see the fan, That's
the knocks here. I'm telling you, do dread.
Dan, hey, boy.
That's the
first time in my life I ever see that. And you uncle inside come outside and stop and watch. Something wrong.
We still see it's when they call me, I had to come and see where they call me.
Yeah, because I start. But uncle, I don't know about something that said Jacob. Get up.
I know.
Uncle, I say something that said Jacob, get up and look at that cloud. I stand up and watch your cloud. I say, uncle, are you hearing that something wrong there? You know what I turn and see the governor come and say, uncle, I get out of here.
What you say in that thing?
The car coming now, so we just go in my house.
Yeah, we had to go. We had to pick up Red.
You see why number? You call them and tell them to come outside, so let me come out of this place. But what the ass is this? First time in life I see this thing blowing off roof going about the business.
Dan, hey, and Red man himself listening, Dan, boy. Red man himself listening, boy.
And what way? The car started vibrating, no?
Yeah.
Them come to by the junction now.
Yeah, come in the junction. Watch, you see?
Why ain't coming the car, boy? We
Calling a board in the damn name.
We leave because they didn't want to come. Anything was coming.
Yeah,
It's still past the house. It's cool down. That's one.